Hello guys, today I am taking you on a point of view drive with the new MG HS. This is the facelifted version. On the front you can spot the new grille, revised bumper and also the new LED lights. Now the luxury trim has got the indicators down there, similar to the MG4. Side profile, 4.61 meters is the length of the car. Also the luxury trim gets you these beautiful 18-inch wheels with the dual tone. They look very modern. And from the rear, the changes include the revised bumper, new exhaust pipes, the exhaust finishers and also the new LED lights. Rear LEDs come on the second and third trim, so this is the third option, luxury, and then first one would be standard, comfort and then luxury. So let's unlock the car once again, and you see that the LED lights now have this beautiful details, beautiful lighting, and signature during the night is really impressive. I can turn on, actually open the tailgate, so we can do it with the key. And yeah, here it is. It's a bit dark, but check out my full review during the day to see more details regarding the trunk and the infotainment system and stuff like that. Here are the finishers for the exhaust, so different shape now, and real exhaust pipes on both sides, which is always nice to see. Let me now jump on board and show you this. So the model in our video has got the standard luxury interior, so you see the black seats. You can go for the style package, and with the facelifted version you can go for the red one or the blue one. But yeah, this one has the standard trim inside. Let's see it from driver's perspective. So this is the view in front of the driver, digital cockpit, the 3-spoke steering wheel, lovely ambient lights. And without further ado, let's go on a drive, and then I will explain to you all the details and tell you about the specifications. So let's go, have the 360 cameras, and off we go. So the model in our video has got the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 162 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. It is paired in this case with the 7-speed DCT transmission, and the other option would be the 6-speed manual. Now the other powertrain for this car is the plug-in hybrid, but then the name of the model is the EHS, and that one once again has the plug-in hybrid. Those are the two options for this car, and of course focus of today's video is this petrol version. The performance figures: 9.9 seconds is the time to reach 100, and top speed is 190 kilometers per hour. Now the layout in front of me, you can see the digital cockpit 12.3-inch one, and in the middle the main touchscreen, the 10.1-inch screen, and also the lovely layout here, ambient lights. And once again, this car has the luxury trim, which gets you this special seats, but it's got the standard luxury trim. You can add the style package, which would get you the red details or blue and white details. So those are the options when we talk about customizing the interior a bit more. And the drive itself is very smooth, as you can see. Speaking about those ambient lights, you can change the color, and you can also have the pulsating lights. So you go to vehicle settings, lighting, and now here you have the ambient light settings. You can change the color. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. And now here you have the pulsing mode. When you turn it on, now you will see how they are pulsing. There we go. And in order to turn off the start-stop system, press this. So it was activated. Now I've deactivated it. And this car has the 7-year warranty, or 150,000 kilometers, so there will be no worries whatsoever. And here in the central console you can see the 2 USB ports and the 12-volt power supply, and there are various shortcuts here in form of buttons. So vehicle settings, home menu, you can adjust the volume here, and the AC, you do have the shortcut for the AC, but you do need to adjust it here. So you adjust the air blower as well as the temperature here. So it's not complicated, but I would still prefer to have buttons. Share your thoughts with me. Do you agree with me, or do you prefer the touch controlled AC? And of course, car is packed with driver assist and safety systems that make your drive more smooth and more safer. And I will insert also part where I am on highway so that you can see that as well. And one detail that a lot of you will love on this luxury trim is the panoramic sunroof. But unfortunately it's raining, so not much of use today, but during some better weather, of course, you can just enjoy, because as you can see it's really huge, and yeah, definitely gives you a special driving experience. Okay, and let me insert the highway as well. So there we go, 130. and 30 kilometers per hour. As you can see, pretty smooth here. And also here, not sure how much the GoPro is catching it, but lovely 3D view of the buildings. More of that during the night point of view drive, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, there will be plenty of more to come, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.